Okay, right around the corner from the shop, we're looking at doing a siding estimate or siding job. So on the back, we've got a small eave here that we'd like to prevent the water from falling down into this corner where it has been. So when it's said and done, this will be guttered, and we're going to end up running a ledger board across with a gutter there, and the new gutter on the side will be worked out to where the two of them can deliver, either be funneled together or the upper and the lower. And then we'll end up putting an additional trimmed 2x4 post onto this 4x4 here that's going to extend up to accept a gooseneck that's going to deliver the water away from the house, and will come up off the ground with about a 10-inch extension here. So all the water off the right side of the house and its back is going to be delivered out well away from the house. Trimming the outside frame of the octagon and siding of the house, trimming the overhangs and aluminum trim on the fascias. All of the doors and windows are trimmed now, so they do not have to be addressed. Setting a separate option for a 4-foot wide platform deck that's going to extend to the corner there, and around the back side of the corner we're going to flash that down into the ground so no varmints or anything can get in underneath this area here, and we'll have to do something of the same sort on this side here. The stone's not a bad idea, but it needs to go all the way up to the top, and we want to make sure we have a proper step coming down. The existing spigot is not functionable. We might be able to get enough slack out of this power source to move it up and out of the way so our ledger can go across there. And then what we'll do is we'll end up with a landing and 3 steps coming out this way towards the fence. Another option will be set up to build either an apron or extend the peak. So we're looking at taking this whole main peak and bringing it out. It'll extend out 16 foot over the hot tub and come down. We'll have the pier down to beyond the concrete pad, 4 6x6s and lamb beam. There'll be open cathedral with the very peak of this roof will have to be either an apron roof or just basically braced to support it. If that option is taken, then actually either option for the apron roof or a peaked roof, because we do have the other option of coming off just above that door with an apron roof the full length or the full width. Either way, if either one of those options are taken, in this whole gutter system can be rearranged completely different to where now that gutter would actually extend straight out because that eave is coming straight out. So that would be in the separated. There's an old wooden chimney chase that comes through the roof area here. We want to omit that. It's rotted out. There's a metal flue that comes through for the heating exhaust that we're going to have to get a pipe flange to terminate to the roof, and put a bonnet provided that we can utilize this existing pipe with no problem. We can do that. So we're looking at, those are the options we're going to separate on the back. The siding is going to be certaintied. We're going to have to deal with these corner posts, or these, yes, not corner posts, but these posts for the fence. We're going to end up having this J-channel around them. So this will actually be terminated with an aluminum coil stock and then J-channel that'll stop out here and then turn into a corner post the rest of the way. That's our only choice to deal with these guys, short of pulling them out of the ground, and we're not going to do that. Omit this 4x4 and omit the handrail and replace that with a new handrail when it's all said and done. Probably a real nice composite poly rail. Kick plate, treated kick plate underneath the steps, and vinyl siding, full vented soffit system. We're keeping the existing aluminum window trim. Gonna give her the option for stone face down on this section here, whether it be vinyl or a regular scarf stone or split face stone. Nothing to be done on the vertical of this front porch area. That will stay the way it is. We'll flash to the top of the deck area so no water can get behind it, and vinyl siding all the way up. The lights that are on there are larger lights, so we're going to have to make our own light blocks for the lights that are there. And we've got one plug out the front here. So all vertical vinyl going all the way through, or horizontal vinyl, with an option to possibly just underneath the window, we would take and set ourselves a ledger board up and run in either a fan fold system or a vertical, something to give it a little bit of a pop. That'll be set up as an option number also. Downspout will stay on the left side here where it is, ties into an existing drain tile. And again, the windows will stay, and the post for the fence will end up staying, and we're going to have the J-channel around that because those are set in concrete, as they say. And then there's that chimney that's got to come down. On the back section, if we do go with either one of these roof extensions, this light system that's on here now, we're going to have to, if we go with an apron roof, we're going to have to jump down and give her light below the apron roof. If we extend the full peak, which obviously is going to be a different number, then that can stay and it'll just light up inside the peak. Okay. So, this will be a nice little one. We get all the numbers and details together for the customer and give them a maintenance-free exterior, and hopefully it's something they can do. If not, maybe a little bit each year. This is it's kind of unorthodox to take and run that spout out to the post, but they really don't have any other places to deliver their water to keep it away from the foundation, and that's the best bet right there. So it can be done. We'll keep you posted.